everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your public library business. For example, you have a public library in where your customers can renew books, find events as well as share catalogs. Responding each and every customer manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your customers send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your public library business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your users instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of public library, hi, or instead of any message you can send. Here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of public library. How can I help you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is search for a book, search catalog and contact us. If I'll click on search catalog, then it will respond to me like this while providing me one message, that is our catalog, and one button, that is more details. If I click on more details, then it will respond to me like this, that let's check the availability of the book you are looking for. Please type the book title. So here I am providing the title of the book. Here I provided a name. After that, you can see it will respond to me like this, that The Alchemist found and available. You can also visit our website to browse our full collection and check availability, while providing me one official website link of this public library. Also given me one option, that is book now. If I'll click on this, then it will respond to me like this while providing me the book title that I want to purchase and one order ID. If I'll click on contact us, then it will respond to me like this. So basically this is how our chatbot will work, and this is how our bot will respond to our customer automatically instantly. You can create this type of WhatsApp chatbot for your public library. If you want to create this type of WhatsApp chatbot for your public library business, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side, you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking access now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. When you click on this, it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, while in this home section you can see the active status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot, and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template, It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow. This is where you build your WhatsApp chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer products, browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. It will also solve your problems. Here we also provide a video of how to create an AI assistant for WhatsApp inside a Pabbly Chatflow. The ninth one is the activity log, where you can see all the activities, events, action or task you have occurred within the last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, in where you can manage your accounts, team members, integrations, API keys, etc. And the last one is the get help, where you can tell us about your problems and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this flow button. See, this is the page where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of flow builder. Here you can also see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this plus add flow button. So basically this is the starting point of your flow, but first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our public library business, so here I am providing a name. Here I write it. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your customer that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of public library. Now I want to write one welcome message for my customer. For that I am taking this text button. It will provide me one enter message box. I'll drag this box here and writing the welcome message for my customer in this enter message box. Here I write it. While at the end of this message I'll ask my customer that how can I help you today. So for answering this I am providing them some buttons. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as search for a book. The second button I'll write is search catalog, and the third button I'll write is contact us. Here I write it. After that I'll connect the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my customer. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow is connected to our message. After that, when my customer wants to search a book in my public library, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my message. Here I write it. The second one is the search catalogs. If my customer wants to search a catalog in my public library such as books, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this I am taking one media button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here, select media type as image and upload one image of catalog of my public library. See, the image is uploaded successfully. Now I'll provide them one caption, that is our catalog. Here I write it. After that I'll provide them one button, that is more detail. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box. Here I write it. After that I'll connect the circle which are present in front of search catalog to the message I write it here. It is connected. Now if my customer wants to know more about the catalogs and they want to search the title of their book, then they will click on this more detail button. So my bot will respond to them. For this I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some more details about availability of the book titles in my public library. Here I write it. While in this you can see I'll ask my customer that please type the book title. In this I'll select the contact custom field as book title. I already created this contact custom field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here I'll select the format as text and number of attempt I'll give as 1, and I don't want to write any validation message for my customer, so I am leaving this blank. Here I write it. After that I'll connect this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my customer provide me their book title, then my bot will respond to them. For this I am again taking another text button. It will provide me one enter message box. I'll drag this box here and writing the respond message. Here I write it. While you can see I'll use this dollar symbol before book title, because with the help of this symbol the name of the book will go manually. I also use this asterisk symbol in this because with the help of this symbol this message will go to the WhatsApp business account of my customer in the bold format. Now I'll connect this circle to this message. After this I also provide them one button, that is book now button, by clicking on this plus add button and writing here. Here I write it. Now after that if my customer wants to book this book, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For this I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button and writing the respond message here. Here I write it. Now the third one is the contact us button. If my customer wants to directly contact with me, then they will click on this button, contact us, so my bot will respond to them. For this I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can note all the contact details of my public library. Here I write it. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your public library businesses. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. Now I'll give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer instantly by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of public library. Hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of Public Library. How can I help you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is search for a book, search catalog and contact us, that we were written here. See, search for a book, search catalog and contact us. If I'll click on contact us, then it will provide me all the contact details of this public library. If I'll click on search catalog, then it will respond to me like this while providing me one button, that is more details. After that you can see it will ask me to provide a book title of the book I am looking for. Here I write it. You can see the bot will respond to me like this while providing me one book now option. If I'll click on this, then it will respond to me like this while providing me the order ID as well as the delivery details. So basically this is how your chatbot will work, and this is how your bot will respond to your customer automatically, instantly. This bot is created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.